Hi guys, today we're in the bus. And today is Bazz's fake birthday. And we're riding a bus to a party. And over here we are having good luck because the bus is ours. There's no one here. Check and look. Take a look. There's no one sitting, even in the back seats. It's just me and my mom today. And my dad's in my grandma's house. And it has a snowball which just fell. And at least I can play my cat. I'm a cat. Meow meow. Hello. I mean, I can see shadows because I'm a cat that I want to play with. I mean, will that work? No. That's why I wanted to call you. Over here right now, we're just waiting here. And of course it's okay, the driver's leaving for a second.
Why the driver is leaving?
Why is the driver leave? Okay, the driver's going to eat some snack. This is the weirdest thing ever.
What happened?
Why did the driver leave to get some snack? That doesn't make any sense.
What happened?
The driver is leaving to eat some snacks. Right?
Oh, he's back.
Good. Wait. He has some chocolate milk? What is that for? So silly. Why does the driver need chocolate milk to get some snacks? That's so weird. That's the weirdest thing ever. Why would he even do that? And now he's just filling the wait. I feel like he's filling the engine with the chocolate milk.
We are going again.
Yes, finally. You almost got late. You know, Lassie. Well, reviews. So that subscribe it. Maybe you could if you want, but also don't forget to subscribe me and
We have more passengers. We have to be quick.
No, we have passengers.
Bye.
No,
Put on your mask.
we're not here yet.
We cannot do it if there are more passengers.
No.
Bye.
Okay, wait, guys. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe. Bazz to check out everything and Kid in the Morning, which is me.